Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11. So firstly click on this search icon, then type store, open Microsoft Store, and guys here you have to type WhatsApp. Now select WhatsApp desktop. Now click on install. Now click on open. Now guys, to use WhatsApp on your computer, you have to follow these three steps. First one, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap menu. You will see this three dot or settings and select linked devices. Then this third step, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.